I am Kate Kaltoff and welcome. This is going to be a little review of the kit to go that I'm offering for February of 2022. And it is basically a free card kit with a minimum $50 order using a host code, which I'm going to show you right now. So let me go ahead and flip the camera down so that you can check this all out. So this is some of the little embellishments that will be included with your kit to go. You can see that, and I'll go over them in a second. But the main thing to know is that these 8 card setups, it's basically 4 designs, 2 of each design. These 8 card setups will come to you free with a $50 order using the host code WNSZDRQG. Make sure I move that doily. And the offer ends on February 15th of 2022. So that gives you a few days here for you to figure out what you would like to order. Now, if you already have the Crane of Fortune bundle, which you will need to put these cards together exactly like I have, you can order anything. As long as that host code goes in with your order, I will know that you want the card kit to go. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you some of the fun embellishments that I'll be including in your kit, just the little pieces and everything that you need to put these cards together. So these cards are going to be featuring, I believe every single one of them will feature the fine art gold ribbon. It looks spectacular with the designer series paper. And the polished dots will be featured on a couple of the cards. Again, these will be included with your kit to go, just the little pieces that you will need to complete it. And you can tell, maybe you can't tell, but there's some clear ones and some ones that have a little bit of a pink look to them. And then 2 of the cards will be featuring doilies. So we've got the Heart and Home doilies right here. This is Misty Moonlight Light, Cinnamon Cider, and we've got some gray granite. So let me go ahead and show you the cards. The very first card in the kit to go is this one. And it is so much fun. This beautiful, beautiful image of the crane stamps so perfectly. All of the shades and variations that you see in this stamped image actually all come just by inking up your stamp and stamping it. It's amazing. And then you can see here, I'm also using the doily. Now, a lot of times with my kits to go, just in order for me to save a little paper, I will create an alternative card, especially when I'm using an entire piece like this on the card, because I want everyone to be able to at least replicate the cards that I've created. So I have, not only will you get this one in your kit to go, but you're going to, so this one all features Misty Moonlight. You're also going to get one that features the cinnamon cider color. So that would be this one. And it's just as gorgeous. Wouldn't you agree? It's just so much fun. All right. So that's the first card, basically, that is included in your card kit to go. So let's look at the second one. This is a wedding card. So it looks like this, and it's so gorgeous. I did use the brushed metallic paper here in the background. And again, we've got our ribbon. And I brought in another paper that's part of this product suite called the Mother of Pearl. And that is here in the background. And then you can see the polished dots, the pink polished dots. I added a lot of them because you can never really have too much bling on a wedding card. Just a beautiful sentiment, kind of fussy cut. So that's really fun, really pretty. So you'll be making 2 that look exactly like this. The third card in our kit to go looks like this one. And you'll notice I have the painted texture embossing panel in the background. I have a couple of die cuts and then another one of the Heart and Home doilies. This one is the basic gray doily. So this whole design is set on a basic gray card base. And then the fourth and final card is this one. And I just love this kind of ginkgo shaped set of leaves that go down the center with a little crane scene on the right and a really beautiful sort of floral screen on the left. And so again, this will be the fourth and final card in the kit to go. So let me share with you the bundle. It looks like this. You will need the bundle in order to complete the cards as I've shared with you, because I don't die cut any of the items from the bundle. But of course, if you're quite creative and you have a lot of stamp sets in your stash, you could make it work with whatever you've got on hand, because you will be getting all the card setups. So this is, again, the Crane of Fortune, and it's gorgeous. So do check it out. It's in the January through June 2022 mini catalog. Another thing that I use, and you may have noticed, I have quite a few different medallion type label pieces on this card. So you'll notice this one back here. These are all from a fairly new set of dies that I recently purchased, and these are called the Hippo and Friends dies. And one thing I love about them are all of the beautiful layering dies that are part of this die set. So I did use quite a few of those and pre-cut those for you. And then I want to also show you the gorgeous paper that's part, I cut all of the designer series paper, so it's ready for you to put your kits to go together. But if you wanted to go ahead and order this as an option, I just want to show you what this paper looks like. So it's kind of smoky slate, basic gray with gold foil all on one side. And then when you flip it over, you have all of these different beautiful colors and scenes, and it's just gorgeous on the other side. So that is really quite a gorgeous set of paper. And I think the name of the paper is called Symbols of Fortune. So it's beautiful. And then we also, another option for you to place on your order, if you so choose, is this. And I used it on one of the cards, the wedding card, because it's so perfect for wedding cards. Wouldn't you agree? This is that gorgeous mother of pearl shimmery paper. And then if you order a $50 minimum Stampin' Up! Order, you of course will get to pick a celebration item, but you will get a Happy Stamper token from me as well. And when you have 10 tokens, you get a free stamp set. If your order goes up to 75 with the host code, you will not only get a Happy Stamper token, but you will also get my customer gift of the month, which during the month of February is the Pebbles enamel shapes. And these could look quite pretty on some of your cards. And then if you choose to go all the way up to 100 or more, you will not only get, you will get two Happy Stamper tokens along with the product gift. So that's what you get at the $100 level. And of course, you will get 2 celebration items at the $50 level, or you can choose one $100 celebration item. So that is kind of where we're at. And of course, if you order $150 or more, do not use a host code. If you're ordering between February, today is what, the 3rd through the 15th, you'll automatically get everything, including the card kit to go. So once again, I'll show you what the cards look like. Here is the first set of cards. Just beautiful in cinnamon, cider, and misty moonlight. And then here is the second one, the wedding card. So beautiful. And finally, here we have the 3rd card and the 4th card. So I will put these out because I know you want to see them all at once. So much fun. Thank you so much for joining me today and checking out my February card kit to go from Stamping to Share. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.